welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing a little craft kit or product review. And the product that I'm going to review is I got this kit. It is called Nickelodeon slime, and so I'm assuming that you get to make these three slimes. It's the sparkling unicorn slime kit, and I'm assuming that you get to make these three slimes: the original unicorn slime, mystical unicorn poop, and sparkling unicorn slime. And I think that it looks really cool, and I'm excited to make it. I've never ever actually done a slime kit before. I've always made slime with my own ingredients. But the slimes look really cool, and I'm really excited. So let's open up this box. So as I open the box, I see that they have these. I think that these are the containers that it comes with, and it comes with a little spoon too. Here are some different colored paints in the unicorny type colors. And this is the slime activator. And then it has clear glue. Oops, a little plastic bowl. Another bottle of clear glue. Ooh, some glitter, essential for unicorn slime. These star glitters. And yeah, that's everything. It looks like there are some instructions in here, which I'm really glad about because I don't know what I would do without the instructions. I wouldn't really know how to make each slime, but I'm just gonna move all this stuff out of the way so I can read the instructions. Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna read all those directions out loud. So I'm just gonna follow them as I make. First, I'm gonna open up this little package. And so it comes with, really cool, so it comes with 4 containers and then a little smaller container for whatever. And then the lids, of course. And it's got some stirring sticks. And a cute little spoon. Okay, so the first step for making the original unicorn slime is measure 15 milliliters of clear glue using the supplied measuring cup and pour it into the bowl. And this is the measuring cup. And it says to measure out 25 milliliters of water and pour it into the bowl. Now we're going to add our color. And then it says measure 5 milliliters of the slime activator solution and slowly pour it into the same bowl while stirring slowly with the slime stick. Now just pour it in and mix that up. It looks like it's turning into slime. I'll just store it. I can store it in one of these little containers while I make the other slimes. So I'm just going to quickly make the green and blue slime since now you know how the process kind of works. And then I will skip to make the opal glitter slime with you guys. Let's pop it into the third container and we will make the final slime, which is the opal glitter slime. Now I'm adding in my water. We're going to mix that together. sure what it means by opal glitter because I've got this really like rainbowy glitter and then I've got this star glitter. I don't see any opal glitter, and if it's supposed to look like that shimmeriness in that one, I don't see any of that. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let's see. Oh, so none of the recipes actually call for this rainbow glitter, so I'm afraid that it got like switched out or something. Oh, apparently the glitters got swapped out. Instead of getting a really nice fine opal glitter, I got this rainbow glitter. So instead what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna compromise and I'm gonna use this silver extra fine glitter that was my own glitter. So yeah, but I will use this glitter for a different slime, and maybe I might use it in, maybe I put a little bit in this slime, I'm not sure. I think that the theme is just so pastel-ish, unless this slime, it said use a spoonful of this, but blah, 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 okay. So I'm just going to add in it's almost out. Just like some glitter to it. Okay, I think that should be enough. Oh, apparently the glitters got swapped out. Instead of getting a really nice fine opal glitter, I got this rainbow glitter. So instead what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna compromise and I'm gonna use this silver extra fine glitter that was my own glitter. So yeah, but I will use this glitter for a different slime, and maybe I might use it in, maybe I put a little bit in this slime, I'm not sure. I think that the theme is just so pastel-ish, unless this slime, it said use a spoonful of this, but blah, 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 okay. So I'm just going to add in it's almost out. Just like some glitter to it. Okay, I think that should be enough. Well, we have made all 4 slimes. Shall we swirl? Basically, I'm just gonna take these all out and let them touch each other, I guess. They're all touching. Good. I just couldn't help but poke it. Now I guess I'm gonna lift it above the nonstick surface and I guess it kind of looks like the picture. It looks more like a mermaid to me. Here's my final version of the original unicorn slime. I added more of the purple paint, and so now it has this purple, it's like a purpley, shimmery, glittery slime, and I'm actually really happy with it. I think they look super pretty. I don't know why everybody's so obsessed about unicorn poop and just the poop emoji in general. I really don't understand, but we're gonna make unicorn poop, okay? So it's supposed to look like that, but I doubt that mine will look like that. We'll see. And by the way, I'm a little bit sick too, so if you hear me like sniffling, then don't worry. I just have a cold just from the weather changing. I'm just gonna use the same, actually no, I'm gonna wash them. I'm going to use the second bowl. Now we're going to do the same measurements. I'm going to do 15 milliliters of clear glue. Then I'll add about 25 milliliters of water. Is adding a spoonful of the pink coloring. But now, since the opal glitter got switched out for the rainbow glitter, we're just gonna add in some of my silver glitter to this slime. Now we're gonna add in our activator. Now I'm gonna quickly make the purple slime. Add in my water, my activator, I think that the blue slime looks really pretty because of the pearlescent color and the blue glitter. Now that we have made all of our majestic, mystical slimes, we are going to mix them together to create the mystical unicorn hoop slime. So I will remind you, this is what it is supposed to look like. I'm not sure if it will actually come to look like that, but I think that the colors are actually pretty similar. More similar than the last. Woohoo! This one actually looks more like the sparkling star unicorn slime than the mystical unicorn hoop slime. But let's see what it all looks like once it's mixed together. We are going to make the final slime, which is the sparkling star unicorn slime. So for this slime, we will need purple slime, pink slime, and blue slime. I'm going to stretch them and swirl them. Oh, what a great swirl! Oh well, it's fine. Now it said to top the swirl with the stars. Woo! I did all of them. And there is the sparkling star unicorn slime. And I think that this one looks the most similar. See that. It's perfect. And the texture of the stars is great when you just poke into it. Bye.